Hi, this is Mohammed Siddiq. I'm America's Joint Venture Authority. I do joint ventures with global companies around the world and have trained over 350 joint venture brokers around the world. And there's a few things people ask me, why you're successful, what you do actually, how you streamline all of your businesses, how you really keep a contact with all of them. I'm going to share you at least one secret today. You see this badge? When I go to different events, I'm sure you keep your 10, 20, 30, 50 business cards or 100 business card with you. This is the only business card I have with me. I have a QR code and I have my phone number. When I'm meeting with someone, they actually scan this QR code or they text it to this number. I get their cell phone and also I start the campaign on them. It's so easy. And why I'm telling you all this one, you can save a tree by using this, and you can actually have interaction with that person. Whatever you're promising them right in the event, you can deliver them right then and there. It takes a few minutes to set up. It's set and forget basically. Okay. And I'm talking about today the interactive tax response done by my good friend from all the way from different part of the world, from Australia, Peter Davis, and he is a genius developer who has worked on this program. It's really going to change. It has changed my business, how I run myself. And if you are a professional, you go to different events, you have a local business, and you have a customers for your business. What you need to do is, instead of putting those flyers, or your real estate agent or your financial advisor, I cannot think if there's any business which doesn't need this one. You really need to have stop printing all those flyers and business cards and all those mistakes, and you never know how many you need all the time. You only need this one simple system, easy to implement, and it delivers the results. Oh, by the way, it works globally. I have customers all over the world. They all tax me all over the world, and I can tax them way cheaper than any other system available in the world. In fact, I looked at all of them. Being a joint venture, I know which kind of systems are available in the world. In fact, I kept this secret to myself so far. I was just using it and never shared until I have to record this short video for my friend Peter Davis. If you have to make a one choice, which system you need to be looking at to use it, stop thinking about comparison. Time to act right now and start using interactive tax response. You will be blown away like I was. Thank you.